How to create Etsy policies. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to create Etsy policies. Now, creating the Etsy policies, you want to go to your shop manager and navigate to settings. So for that, you want to use etsy.com or use Etsy from the browser version. As you open up etsy.com, what next you want to do is click on or tap onto shop manager. That is usually located in the profile section. So go to profile, and there you should be able to find this option as shop manager. So once you click on the shop manager options, you then need to go ahead and click on settings, right? So go to settings from the list, and as you go to settings, you will be able to find these policy settings. You then want to provide, or Etsy provides, a structure format with specific tabs. You want to find out each section will clear accurate information such as return and exchange, cancellation, privacy policy, and fixed policies, as well as add additional information and publish. And that's how you should be able to create Etsy policy onto your device. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.